Heartiest, how are you? Myself Aman, and I think you are also doing well. And in this video, I am going to talk about very interesting topic, and the topic is that how can you become the master of time management? Because it is very difficult task for all of us. If you want to become the master of the time management, then you need to read so many type of book, and that type of book is very necessary for all of us. If you will read that type of book, if you can read that type of book, then you can become the master of time management. And the day when you will become the master of time management, you can achieve in your life whatever you want to achieve. So try to read different type of book, and I would like to give you some suggestion, some rules by which you can become the master of time management, and you can also run your life with good towards good direction. Because so first I would like to tell you that we all have 24 hours during a day, and we are utilize it depends on me that how can we utilize our 24 hour during a day. Because if you will see any successful person, he has also 24 hours. If you will see any failure person, he has also 24 hours. So the person who have 24, every person has 24 hours, but that you will see too much difference between so many person. Like that, if we are talking about the vigor, then vigor also has 24 hour. And the person who is the CEO of big company, he has also 24 hours. So what's the different date he can't able to be his vigor and his CEO of that company? It's time. So he bigger has not realized the importance of time. He don't know what is the important of time, and how can we utilize our time with good manner. Bigger don't know. If bigger know, then he will not vigor. He will be not vigor. He can be become also CEO of any other company. So you need to understand how can you become the master of time management, how can you become the master of this field. So if you want to become the master of time management, then you need to follow my rules which I am going to give you in this video. So first is rule, try to read book. So when I am saying that try to read book, it means when you will read book, then you can understand too much knowledge. You can gain too much knowledge from the book. Because when you will go to read book, then you will not only learn the knowledge, you will learn so many things from that type of book. Because you can also understand the word. I mean, when you will read the book, then your speaking, your communication, your style, your personality, so many things will change. So you need to understand the power of reading book, and you can gain too much knowledge from that book. And you can also understand, you will get the opportunity to know about that type of person who gets success in his life, if you can read that type of book. And when you will go to study that type of person who got success in his life, so you will find they are the very good master of his time. I mean, he was utilizing his time very good manner. That's why he became so successful person. So you need to understand the time management. So reading of a book is play very crucial role to set our time. Because when you will awake in the morning, and when you start to do your work, and anybody will, if anybody come to you, and if he will ask you that you have time, you will say, I have no time during a day, because I have to do so many work. This is your answer. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? Isn't it? So this is your answer. Once anybody will ask you that you have time, sir, you will say, I have not time, sir. I am too much busy during a day. Sir, it is right? No, It is not right, because you, me, and so many person spend a lot of time on the social media, on lot of time to talking and to do unnecessary work. We are doing, if you are living in this society, then you are seeing around surrounding you, where you are living, you can see in your surrounding so many person is spending too much time to talking useless talk, and to, I mean, to traveling one place to another place, and he used so too much time unnecessary work. But when you will go to, and when you will ask him, sir, you have time to spend with me, can you do this my work, he will say, no, I have not time. So what is the logistic of this story? So I mean, we are not aware how can we use our time with good manner, how can we utilize our time with good manner, how can we take the more benefit of our time, how can we grow in our life, how can I be enrich in our life at that position where we want to go in my life. So it's very difficult task for all of us to manage time. But if you can do this, if you can manage your time with good manner, of course you will become a successful person in your life. Because the person who have got success, when you will go to and when you will ask him how did you get success, he will give one answer, that intense hard work. Two answer, he will give two answer, and first answer is intense hard work, and the second answer is he give too much value of his time, and he utilize his time very good manner. So this is the answer of that person, if we will ask to any person who has got the success. So you also need to understand and try to read the book. And the second thing of the time management is awareness. What does it mean, awareness? Awareness means, if you are doing a work in a day, so you need to aware every time that how can I make this work with short time. Because if you are doing any work with long time, then you are using too much time or to do that type of work, and then you will spend too much time to do different type of work, and your day will finish, and in the night you will say, I don't know when our day have finished. So try to aware, I mean, you need to aware every time, how can I make this, how can I complete this work with short time, how can I do this work with active way, how can I make this, how can I make this work with a fast time, fast way. So you need to understand, and you need to try to do. The day when you become to do, I mean, the day when you can do this, the day when you can understand this logistic, you can achieve in your life whatever you want to achieve in your life. So I would like to tell you, awareness is my second point to my second rule of the time management. If you are aware towards your goal, so you can achieve so many things in your life. So awareness, first is reading books, second is awareness. And what is our third thing, when I am going to talk about the third thing, then you need to understand that you should do exercise, you should understand the value of your health. Health means your physical health as well as your mental health. So you need to try to exercise every morning, every day. And so my third rule is, you should active during a day. How can you become active? How can you become active? So you can become active with exercise in morning, and with exercise your physical as well as your mental body. So if you can do this, then of course you can be active during a day. You will not feel lazy, you will not feel I mean, you will not feel sad, and you will not feel disappoint, you will not feel frustration, you will not go to be nervous, you will not go to be unhappy. So you can be happy during a day if you are doing exercise every day, and you can do your work with active way. So you need to understand the health of health, I mean the power of health. Health play very crucial role. If you are a healthy person, you will complete your work with short time, and when the day will come, when you will become to complete your work with short time, then you can change your life, because you are active person, you can your work very fast, so you can do more work during a day, and then you can understand that I have too much time. So you need to understand the power of this. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. What is your suggestion about the time management? And you should try to follow my 3 rule. I will give you next rule in the another video, and I will give you some important rule of life in the another video. So try to focus, try to apply, try to do whatever we are sharing with you. And if you are like my video, then like this if you can like this video, and if you don't like, then you can dislike this video, whatever your wish. And if you want to give me any type of suggestion, small big any type of suggestion, then I am also a learner, you are also a learner. And it may be happen that some teacher, some good person, and some scholar is watching this video. So if you have good suggestion for me, then you can write on the comment, because I am so curious to improve myself. If you have good suggestion, then you can write in this video. Okay, I will see you in the next.